How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App. If you've got a Vanilla Visa gift card and want to add it to your Cash App to start using it for online purchases or sending money, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add your Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App. So let's get started. First, open up the Cash App on your phone. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the Cash App, tap on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the little bank icon. Next, tap on the plus add a bank or card option. This is where you link your Visa Vanilla gift card. Then select the option that says credit card. Even though it's a prepaid card, Cash App treats it like a credit card. Now enter the 16-digit card number from the front of your Vanilla Visa gift card. You'll also need to enter the expiration date and the CVV code from the back of the card. After entering all the details, tap on Add Card. Cash App will verify your card to ensure it's valid and linked correctly. Once verified, your Vanilla Visa gift card will be added to your Cash App account and you can start using it for payments or transferring funds. And that's it. You've now successfully added your Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App.